Hi, my name is Robin, and I want to walk you through what I love about the Vego Raised Garden Bed. This is the 17-inch 6-in-1 modular raised planter. We have absolutely loved it. When we got it last year, I couldn't believe how small the box was. Here's my then 5-year-old son helping me put it together. It has a soft edge he was putting on. We finished it and brought it outside. And then we had so much fun filling it with dirt, planting a garden in there, and harvesting from it. The 17-inch sides are perfect for me. I can kneel next to it and reach everything I want in there. I also just pull a chair up and garden sitting in a chair or stool. And Vego makes the boxes out of materials that are made to grow food in. So it feels like a really smart choice, especially because we're wanting to grow fresh, beautiful things in a garden. I love how each bolt that is used to put it together has a cover, and that top edge is not sharp, so it feels so comfortable to work with it. So we're so excited to plant again this year and see what we get out of this garden bed. This Vego Raised Garden Bed is an absolute winner, and I totally recommend it. Thanks.